Hey, Ken here at Waters Garden Center. Everyone always wants to plant red Tip Photinia, and that's this one right here. Now, the new growth comes out here, red. It's a little bit light, but comes out bright red, and they get this green foliage. Those are tall plants, probably 10, 12 feet tall by equally wide, and not native. A heavy drinker, high maintenance, bugs, deer. It has problems, but it grows fast. So you can get a lot of plant for the money. One I would recommend, a native. This is Agnes or Silverberry. The foliage comes out blue like this and turns into this variegated gold color. This one I have in my backyard because I get it up to size. I don't care for it anymore. It's a true native. Silverberry gets up easily, 8 foot by 8 foot. Big evergreen, no bugs. No water once it's to size, and no deer problems. So Agnes, way better than red Tip Photinia as far as a big evergreen hedge type blocking shrub in your backyard. Click on the link below for more information. Of course, the plants are available here at Waters Garden Center, but the idea of every day at 11:30, Monday through Friday, lunchtime special is to give you something inspiring, something natural to look at. Something that'll help you be a better gardener or just fun to relax with, and available at Waters Garden Center.